So I got a question. This is a Detroit powered freight checker on this oil pressure. If you're familiar with this, let me know, because it's my first time with one of these newer Detroits. I think this is a 2017, but to me that's new. Anyway, why does this thing take so long to build oil pressure? I mean, is that normal for you guys that are used to these? Or is this just extra slow because I'm used to, the oil pressure coming up quicker? Let me get a little bit closer here. If I can. That's this one right here. That's your oil pressure. Oh, watch how long that thing takes to build oil pressure after the truck starts. Here we go. That took forever. Like, daggum. Is that normal? Any of you guys that familiar with these newer Detroits, let me know.